Cable cleats are like seat belts for electrical circuits. During a short circuit, they restrain the cables before the circuit breaker interrupts the fault. Without cleats, uncontrolled cable movement can destroy neighboring circuits and equipment and cause serious injury. Because of these safety risks, standards bodies around the world require cable cleats, and responsible design engineers are required to install cable cleats to meet National Electrical Code. Cable cleats come in many forms. Specification is determined by peak fault current, cable diameter, cable arrangement, and mounting system. The easiest way to determine the correct cleat type and spacing is with the Panduit Cleat Calculator. It will help you select the right solution to optimize material cost and labor, and provide a full bill of materials. Panduit offers a wide range of cable cleat designs, each engineered for fast, reliable installation. Be sure your next project specifies the proper cleat solution for any circuit expected to exceed a 20 kA peak during a fault. It's simple insurance that protects workers, uptime, and reputations. For more information on cable cleats, visit panduit.com.